Everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how can you disable parental controls on any Epic Games account. So first of all, you're going to search on Epic Games on any browser that your choice, and after that you're going to click on the first link, and after that you're going to go on to Epic Games and then sign in. Once you're signed in, you're going to go onto the top right onto your name, okay, and then onto account. Once you're on account, okay, you're basically going to go all the way till something called parental controls, and then you're going to write your your 6-digit parental controls account. So you can find this digit code the Epic Games have been sent it to you onto the Gmail that you made your parent account on. Okay, so I'll get the code from my own Gmail. Okay. As you can see over here, my parental code is 755234. So I'm going to take this copy and then paste it over here using Control V. Okay, and then I'm going to click on Confirm. Now we're in the parental controls. Now keep in mind, you cannot completely disable parental controls like go down. If you go down there, you're not going to find disable parental controls. But there's a way to make sure as if you're playing without any parental controls. So how we can do this? Make sure that the first option, which is always require a PIN purchase using payment service, is off. Your child, basically, you're going to be able to do any changes in your Epic Games account without putting the code of the parental code. Next thing is the rating system. Make sure this is at its highest. Okay, that means you're going to play any games. That means you're going to play any games without restricting it because you have a child. So make it sure that it's unrated and PEGI. Okay. Once you have that, you're going to go down and then require parental control contest for the first time to sign into non-Epic Games account outside of the Epic Games Store. Make sure this is off. Okay, on the general social permissions, make sure this is off. Require PIN to add Epic friends, make sure this is off. Epic voice chat permissions, make sure this is everybody. Epic text chat permissions, make sure this is everybody. And on additional permissions, make sure that both of these are off. Once you have all of these options applied, you're basically going to have an account as if you do not have any parental controls active, but they're going to still be on your account. But you're going to play with your account as if you do not have any parental controls controlling you. So yeah, guys, that was it for all now. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you later.